Hello everyone, welcome to Color Bar Chaff channel. This is Safa Kaidogan. In this channel, as you know, we just give some solutions of digital printing all worldwide according to our experience of 25 years. Today's subject is how to find good direct-to-film inkjet water-based pigmented inks. What points we have to look after, what points shows us this is a good ink and this is a bad ink. That's the reason let's go to start which ink is the good one for DTF printing. Friends, first point is printability. The ink has to well print without a nozzle clogged. That's the reason you have to check the ink samples that it's printable, especially white is print well according to your needs and fits your pad film which you are using. That's the first point, look after. Second, cleanability, which means when you just press the clean button that it has to be clean perfectly. You don't need to clean over and over, because if you clean over and over, it means that ink, pigmented inks, is agglomerate very quickly because of the way the waters and air. That's the reason don't use that kind of ink which makes more cleaning. 3. Film formation. As you do know that after printing to the pad film, we have to just put into powder and shake and powder and the heat, and after that there is a film formation is occurring according to transferring. Check this film formation has to be stretchable because it gives you also fastness of cleanability, washability, stretchability and rub. These, if the ink has bad film formation, don't use that ink. 4. Density, which called also opacity for white ink. For CMYK, keep the density on a high level where you're always using. But white, be careful. Don't look overestimate, over average. When you go over average white DTF ink, most probably the first point, it clog your head very quick. That's the reason don't look after very high opacity DTF ink. Look after the ink where it has acceptable opacity and perfect cleanability and printability. That's the reason the average is your key in here. Don't dream about the high opacity, which there is possible to make opacity, but it gives you very bad clogging. And the shelf life. The fifth point is the shelf life of the ink. Especially white DTF ink shelf life is 6 months after production. Don't use any ink which is expired. That's the reason use the ink possibly fresh. And the last one is the lead time. The lead time, which means after production to come to your office, has to be the quickest one. Choose the quickest one if the first points are clear for you. At the end, my suggestion, here is my suggestion for DTF ink. Any point on the world where we are, I don't know, but choose closest manufacturer of an inkjet ink, DTF inkjet ink, which is much better than the far, because the white ink shelf life is a big problem. Choose the closest manufacturers, fastest lead time, and of course the first point is the key points. Keep them alive. I don't say that Far East products are bad, but they are far away and manufacturing and lead time and coming there, the products has a very short time to produce. If they keep on stock on the distributors, then you have a serious problems because it's most probably about to expire or expired. Choose the closest manufacturers or fresh ink. Keep in touch. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you.